Hello, welcome to Chet Productions, Chet Record Studios. My name is Chet, music producer, sound engineer. Today, we're in studio today, we're looking at plugins. Which plugins am I talking about? We're looking at VSTs. We have music plugins, we have instrument plugins, we have vocal plugins, we have all sorts of plugins that do different kinds of things in audio production. So we're looking at vocal plugins. These are the ones that make that voice look or sound so sweet, per se for ladies, let me say. Make it have that sweet tone to the ear that make you go like, this babe can sing. So we all do that through plugins here, which has helped us a lot, by the way. So, because without those plugins, man, just mixing raw vocal, it's like cooking sauce without cooking oil. It's terrible, I'm telling you. So we also have the instrument plugins. You want a rhythm guitar? Set up a plugin. You want a synth keyboard? Set up a what? You need a normal grand piano. No, you don't have to literally carry that whole thing to a studio. Basically, now you see, if you have a small space like this one, you don't need a whole grand piano here. You just have to set up a plugin. Everything sounds nice and good. Okay. Love. Okay, as I was saying, big up to yourself. This is an upcoming project. The lady is called A Million Stars. Big up to yourself. So as I was saying, when it comes to plugins, it brings out that, for the vocals, brings out that sweet tone. So what we usually do, we have a plugin here. It's called pitch correction. It's a default plugin. It comes with the software. I think you can see it. It has so many things. It has, when you look at the scales, usually when people are singing, they sing in different scales. There are those that sing with what we call minor scales, what we call major scales, chromatic, natural. There's so many different kinds. All those are different voice tones. So what we do, usually, you see these vocals here. It comes, we record it raw. We record the vocals raw, basically just like this. I think you can. Now that is a raw vocal. I think you can hear that. So then, that's when we come in and throw in this beautiful thing here. It's called a pitch correction. It makes it, brings out that sweet tone. And this is, I think you can hear that. Spot the difference? That's what I'm talking about. So then we have different plugins. Also, we also use a compressor. You can throw in a compressor there. This one, what it usually does, to make it seem more basic for you to understand well, it balances the vocal. You know, when you're recording, there are vocals that sometimes come out in a low tone, and there are those that come out on top of the other. So what the compressor does usually just balances them on the same level, just to make it even. So when it comes to instruments, we have different ones. Like I said, back in the days, we used to just bring all sorts of equipment in the studio. You carry a drum set, you carry guitar. You don't need all that. Now, back in the days, our old stars used to use these flutes. I don't know if you know them. Well, they just blow in, you just put it on the lip and they blow in. Now here, what I do, I just open up a plugin. This is Purity. Also comes with the plugin. I just have to look for the tone. Now there are different flutes here. We can, let me just pick one. Now we have like the pan flute. It's a different one. That's a flute. Well, there's so many plugins, and basically, it has helped us a lot. First of all, it fastens the work. The time limit. A project you'd spend on months, like 2-3 months, you can literally do in a week. A week is even too much. You can even do it in 2 days.